Hello everyone, I'm going to be playing Duck Life Treasure Hunt again. Now, in the previous episode, Quack to Quack Action, I played Duck Life Normal and Duck Life Treasure Hunt. This one is only going to be focused on Duck Life Treasure Hunt. So let's get straight into this. I just realized there's eyes at the very start. Oh, use that. Pew! That gives you 4,000 meters at the very start. Yes, I'm Flappy Bird, and I can do this. Pew! Pew! Every time he comes back. Okay, and I'm back. Sorry. Alright, let's do zoom. Dang it, I missed the key. I forgot I was in flat mode. Oh, yes. Blink. I love Flappy Bird mode. Nope. Alright, so, wow, those are high up. Nothing else. Oh god, oh god, oh god. I was not prepared for this. Flap. Okay. Alright guys, I will see you later, but after I die. And I did find out finally how to screen record. We saw. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed this very short video. If you did, please subscribe and join. I haven't come up with the group name. Dang it. Comment down below what you think it is. I'll see you later, guys. I'm out.